Hello again, I am back on YouTube, and in this video, I'm going to give a very quick update as to where I've been, why I stopped uploading, and what to expect in the coming weeks and months on this channel. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone who reached out through email or by leaving comments on the videos to share how the content's been helpful to you. That has honestly meant a great deal to me. Over the past year, I received messages from composers at pretty much every level of their musical journey, from those who are just starting out to multiple award winners who I really respect and admire. And the fact that everyone that did leave a message felt inspired to do so, it just made me feel like this channel and Modern Media Composer was something that was actually helpful and impactful to people, and that's been the most important thing to me from day one. While I was gone, this channel actually grew by thousands of subscribers, which I was really not expecting. I'm really excited to be back, and I'm going to use the rest of this video to reveal what I have planned for the coming weeks on this channel. But first, I just want to answer the most common question that I've received, which is, where did I go? And why did I stop uploading videos? And the short answer to that is that last year was really busy. And it began with me actually delivering the final season of a CBS series that I worked on with my late mentor Mark Snow called Blue Bloods. And I had worked with Mark on that and a lot of other series and projects for over 10 years. Over the course of that decade of working together, we spoke nearly every day. So it was a challenging experience when all that just came to an end last year. And Mark was an incredibly talented composer. I learned an unbelievable amount from him. Many things that I teach on this channel are things that I simply learned while working with Mark. And that's, for me, just another reason I feel very fortunate to have this community to continue sharing that information of what I've learned about this craft so far. So with all of that happening last year, I then also delivered the score for a game called Sunderfolk, which was really exciting for me because I've been an avid gamer for pretty much my entire life. I'm a major RPG nerd. I don't know if anyone recognizes these characters from my shirt. That was a game that I just absolutely loved, and I just also loved the company behind it because it's made up of one of the greatest teams I've gotten to work with. The game ended up launching last year to really, really great reviews. It had a 9 out of 10 on Steam and a lot of positive reception. And then after that was done, the company actually asked me to stay on as an audio director for the 2.0 release of that, which was just announced recently. And I have a ton of experience in sound design, not just musical sound design, but producing sound effects for games, and was experienced at using the middleware such as Wise, but I had admittedly a lot less experience implementing sounds or music into a game engine and sculpting the audio experience in a way that I felt would elevate the game. So in order to make sure I was doing the best job that I possibly could, I cleared my schedule enough to leave room for growing and learning in that new direction because I just wanted to serve the studio and the project to the best of my ability. And the good news for everybody here is that this experience has given me a lot to share in regards to not just writing fantasy music in that genre for games in general, but also working as a director for audio influenced my perspective on music and the role that music plays in a project. I'm excited to share more about this because I've said it on this channel a lot before, but being a composer for media is not about your music. It's about the overall experience that's being created, whether that's a series, film, or a video game. So that leads me to now. What do we have planned for this community and what can you expect to learn from these upcoming videos? Well, in a poll that I posted right before the new year, the majority of people expressed that they wanted to see more videos where I write music and everyone can follow along. A lot of people also expressed wanting to learn more about the business side of things, such as networking, finding opportunities, how certain things work or don't work in the industry, in addition to some more technical stuff like template setups via Ensemble Pro if you have a second computer to run samples on. Basically, we have a ton of videos covering all this stuff in the pipeline right now. However, don't be afraid to leave a comment or let me know any questions you have or suggestions for more topics. I say this in a lot of videos, but when you like a video, when you comment or share a video, or especially if you subscribe to a channel, all those things really help the channel to grow. And in this case, we saw the results of that with a lot of new people being brought in and getting the opportunity to learn from this stuff as well. So between all of that and everything we offer at modernmediacomposer.com with our pro courses and then this comprehensive library of content here on YouTube, I believe that there's going to be a lot of stuff that people can use to learn for writing and producing music at the highest level you possibly can. And I'm hoping that it's going to help you to grow in a creative space, which in my opinion is just a lot of fun. It's a very rewarding experience. I really, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for sticking around here, commenting on and sharing these videos, even in my absence on YouTube, because that's what's given other people the opportunity to discover the material. And now I'm looking forward to adding to our tutorials and conversations over the next several months. As always, I hope that it's going to be helpful. I'll see you in the next videos.